Hey guys, welcome back. Bienvenidos una vez más a Vlogmas Day 4, okay? Yo sé que estoy un poquito tarde, pero it's okay. We got this. We're almost halfway through, kinda, believe it or not. Ya mero va a ser Navidad. Y pues, man, se está yendo este mes súper rápido. Y con eso está empezando el frío. Bueno, ya estaba el frío, but I'm just saying, it's pretty chilly outside. And people are starting to get sick. Se están enfermando. Entonces, hoy les traigo la receta de chicken noodle soup recipe para que si sus familiares están enfermos or you guys feel like you guys are kind of getting sick or getting a cold, flu, whatever it is, you guys can make it at home. Aquí tengo una pot de chicken breast boiling. I usually me encanta hacer el caldo yo misma because obviously I'm gonna need the chicken, right? But you guys can use rotisserie chicken from Smart and Final or también de Costco. All depends on you guys. Want to make it easy, quicker? That's all good, no problem. But without further ado, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, por favor, síganme en mi canal. Please subscribe down below. And also, denle un like a este video so I know that you guys are liking my videos. And also, hit that bell notification so cada vez que yo suba un video, les puedan notificar y puedan estar mirando el video right away. So thank you so much for all your guys' love and support. I'm so sorry. And let's get started with this video. For this recipe, these are all the ingredients you guys are gonna need. But let me go over very quick so you guys can give yourself a bigger idea, okay guys? First of all, we have extra wide egg noodles. These are the pasta that I use. Esta es la pasta que yo uso, la sopita. So extra wide noodles. Que diga egg noodles, okay? Porque así es como los se hacen originalmente. I got two, but you guys can do it with one depending on cuánta gente son de ustedes. Carrots, Zanaorias, Celery, vamos a necesitar que es básicamente el apio, Parsley, so corté just a little small bunch of parsley, lo corté, no mucho, porque esto se va a usar al final de la sopa. Hoja de Laurel, which is bay leaf, okay, in English. Also dry basil is what I'm going to be using, that's what it said. Basil, I had it right here, so I'm going to be using that. You guys can use chicken broth, pueden usar el broth, or pueden hacer su propio. You guys can use chicken broth or make your own. I am making my own, which I enjoy making. And you guys can use or you can buy own broth at the store already pre-made, or you guys can make your own broth by boiling your chicken breast. Up to you guys, but I like to do it this way. I know it's a little bit longer, that's why I started sooner. And I'll give you guys time, chop your stuff, and we will be getting back to you guys. So now, vamos a empezar el proceso. El caldito ya está listo, ya saqué el pollo. So we're gonna desmenuzar, which is shred our chicken at this point, okay? Because I already made the broth. Pero si ustedes quieren hacer el caldo, if you guys want to do your own broth just like me, just get obviously chicken breast. As many of you guys want, depending on the size de tu familia, sean 4 o 5. Yo como somos 4 o 5 por ahí, yo uso como unas 4 a 5 o 6 pechugas, dependiendo de qué tan grandes también estén, okay you guys? And obviously we're gonna put the pot with water, the chicken, cut some pieces de cebolla, van a ponerle cebollita, hojas de laurel y un ajo. Y a mí me gusta echarle sal, pink Himalayan salt, y me gusta echarle el Norse, que es este. A ver if it's focusing. Este es el que me gusta echarle porque es caldo de pollo, y esto es lo que uso básicamente para casi todas mis cosas, que sea arroz o lo que vaya yo a cocinar. Pero ahorita pues ya se está hirviendo. Aquí tengo un pan que se está calentando, aquí le voy a bajar la llama. Vamos a cortar cebollita. This is optional too if you guys want. I know que hay mucha gente que you guys do not like cebolla. I actually do love cebolla, and well, I put cebolla even if my husband doesn't like cebolla because I'm the one cooking, okay? Y si escuchan a mi hijo llorar es porque quiere venir acá y tocar las cosas, okay you guys? Pero no se preocupen, he is fine. He's not doing anything bad or, you know, nothing. Pero voy a empezar a cortar la cebollita, nomás unos pedazos de cebolla, y los voy a hacer in squares. I'm gonna cut them in squares, you guys, because we are gonna saute our veggies before, antes de que we put them in the pot para hacer el chicken noodle soup, ¿ok? So I think que así más o menos les voy a enseñar ahorita más o menos cuánto voy a hacer de cebolla. This is how much, you guys, not a lot, ¿ok? Y pues vamos a poner un poquito de aceite. We're gonna put a little bit of oil, you guys. I always say, I use avocado healthier than anything because it's actually 100% avocado and it's only avocado oil. Solamente aceite de aguacate, no tiene nada de preservatives or otros oils that are bad for our gut. And I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Put it away. So está caliente, let's heat it up a little bit more. Okay. Mientras aquí se está hirviendo un poquito más. Ustedes pueden saber más o menos cuando ya está caliente. Ya lo había dejado yo prendido, entonces ahorita ya voy a empezar a echar. So voy a first put the onion. I'm gonna first put the onions. Okay. It already smells really good. Like, I love the smell. Okay. No se me vaya a quemar. Okay. So vamos a hacer esto y voy a usar la misma spoon that I used over there. Y pueden prender un poquito. Okay. Y luego ya se está poniendo golden. Empiecen a poner lo que es las carrots y el apio. Remember, nomás van a sautear. Ok, cuidado porque estos sí se empiezan a caer everywhere. So you guys gotta be careful. Look, ¿ven? Ya me está brincando everywhere. Y este le va a dar un flavor. This is gonna give it a flavor, you guys. Okay? So we are back. Ya estamos de regreso. As you guys can tell, ya está sizzling. You guys can hear it. Ya dejé pasar unos 8 minutos cocinando, sauteing the vegetables, you guys. Entonces ya se van a mirar un poquito más soft, se van a mirar un poquito más golden. Entonces ya aquí terminamos, vamos a apagarlo. Ok, guys. Vamos a mover esto para acá y vamos a traer el caldito, the broth, where we're gonna cook the sopa. Ahora, we're gonna put the vegetables in the broth para que se empiecen a cocinar. So be careful because it's pretty hot y para que no te brinque. You wanna do it slowly. Ya echamos todo. As you guys can tell, aquí está. So ya metí aquí los vegetales, pueden mirarlo. Como les dije, les va a quedar un poquito de pollo residue allí, pero ya está aquí los vegetables, ¿ok? Ahora, mientras dejo que eso se marine un poquito, I'm gonna go shred the chicken, and then we're gonna add the chicken and we're gonna add everything else at the end of the chicken, y vamos a empezar a poner las noodles para que esté listo. Ya pasaron 5 minutos. I'm gonna add the soup. I'm gonna add the noodles, you guys. I'm still not done with the chicken, shredding it because it's so good. Pero vamos a ponerle las noodles already, you guys. Okay? And it should not take that long. Okay. Si miran que es mucho, with one bag is enough. Then you guys don't need to put 2. I think with 1 bag for me is gonna be enough, porque si le pongo los dos it's gonna be way too much. And then yeah, you guys, mira, con una bag tienen, pero si hacen una pot más grande pueden echarle las dos. But I think with 1 is good enough, because the pasta, remember, it absorbs the caldito. We're gonna let it chill here for a little bit more hasta que the noodles are soft. And then we're gonna put our chicken and our parsley and our dry basil. Hey guys, okay, so I already shredded the chicken, as you guys can tell right here. We're gonna put it now. I think the noodles are about to be ready. We don't want them to break, so ya se miran más abiertos, as you guys can tell. They're pretty open. Okay, so we're gonna start putting the shredded chicken. I'm literally just gonna grab, and since I already washed my hands, I'm gonna go ahead and just put all the chicken, not all of it, depending. Todo dependiendo, le pueden empezar a poner el pollo ya que las noodles están casi listas. Because they're already open, ya están abiertas. So vamos a echarle un poquito de pollo porque siento que va a ser mucho pollo si le echo todo. Okay? I think that's going to be how much we are going to be putting. The chicken, I think is good enough. Yep. Pueden mirar, agarramos pollo, vegetal, noodle, everything, you guys. So, básicamente we're gonna move it around. Vamos a echarle el parsley y el basil. So, le vamos a echar un poquito de basil. Just around. I think that should be fine. No mucho. Y le vamos a echar el parsley. Dependiendo, you guys can use less. You guys don't have to use this much, but I actually like it, and we actually do like how it tastes. And you guys mix it all together. It should be about ready to be in a bowl. So así tiene que estar. Después de que le meten el parsley, que es, ay, ya ni me acuerdo que es parsley, y le echan el basil seco, ya está listo. La podemos apagar ahorita si quieren, pero vamos a dejarlo como unos 2 o 3 minutos, and then we're gonna serve it. Ya está listo la sopa. The soup is ready, you guys. And here you guys have it, a little bit of chicken noodle soup. As you guys can tell, let me go on my tippy toes, but I don't want to spill. You guys already saw how it came out. So, ustedes le pueden echar Valentina, homemade salsa, whatever. Let's do a taste test, you guys. Let's see. It's pretty hot, as you guys can tell, the little humito is coming out, but let's try it out. Let's give it first some carrots and chicken. Yes. Some celery and some noodles con caldito. Delicious, you guys. So, si les gustó esta receta, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Pónganle un like y comenten qué les pareció la sopita for this winter / like cold season. So, thank you so much. Muchas gracias por estar aquí una vez más, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you guys on the next day. Bye.